In 2018, I sold $80,000 worth of used books on Amazon by going into thrift stores and libraries and just scanning the heck out of the books. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it and how you can as well. And at the very end of this video, I'm going to share a strategy that I think is the untapped and biggest opportunity for people to find profitable books to sell on Amazon right now. So first of all, if you want to get started doing this the same way that I did, all you need to do is go on Google and type in used thrift stores, or just type in thrift stores near me. Type in thrift stores near me and just look through the pictures of the thrift store. Most thrift stores do actually have books for sale. So just confirm that they have books for sale and just bookmark every thrift store near you that has books for sale. Do the same for libraries. Libraries have books for sale as well. Most libraries have a small section dedicated to book sales. And then you can also type in used bookstores and put all these places on the map, and then just drive and go to those places. You're gonna go inside, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna look up the prices on Amazon, and if the price is double on Amazon, and if you know it sells for a lot according to the sales rank, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna purchase the book for anywhere from $1 to $5, flip them on Amazon for $20 plus. So what you're gonna do is take this app. This app actually scans the barcode. So every book has a barcode. What we're gonna do is we're gonna scan it, and if it doesn't have a barcode, you can just type in the title of the book and it'll pull it up. And then as you can see here, we'll put this up on the screen so you can see. This is $28 profit. We can actually go in and look at the profit. You can see the breakdown of all the fees. So Amazon takes an FBA fee. That's Amazon's fee for prepping, packing the book, and shipping it. So the cool thing about this is we actually take all the books we find and we ship them to Amazon. We let Amazon handle the shipping, customer service. Amazon literally handles everything. All we do is find the book and ship it to them. You can also see here towards the middle, it says SBYB, that's Sell Back Your Book. Sometimes Sell Back Your Book offers a lot of money for the book. So instead of selling it on Amazon, we can actually get cold hard cash and sell it directly to Sell Back Your Book. Sometimes Sell Back Your Book will offer $10 plus. So if you can pick up a book for $1 and send it to Sell Back Your Book, you're literally making 10 times your investment, and they pay you in cash. Whereas Amazon, you have to wait for the item to sell. Basically, this app tells us if you look at 1.4 million sales rank, that's how often the book sells. The e-score is a better metric. That means it's selling 14 times over the last 6 months. It's had at least one day. Every day that the book sells at least one time, that counts towards the e-score. So it's had 14 days where it has sold. This book doesn't sell a whole lot. Anything over 1 million rank starts to really slow down in the book world, but anything under 1 million rank is usually pretty fast selling for books. So all we do is scan books like this. I'll scan another one real quick here. So this is a reject. You can see it's only making $1.24 profit, $10.30 used buy box. Sell Back Your Book's only offering 12 cents. So I probably would not pick up this book unless if it was absolutely free. You know, you can make $1 for sending it into Amazon after all Amazon fees. If you guys want to see me go through more books and give my decisions on them, sign up for my free course. The link's below. It's 100% free, and I literally teach you how to sell books on Amazon. And I go through, there's this whole section dedicated to me just saying yes, no on books that are good and that aren't good. So what I did in 2018 was I was living in my car and I drove all the way from Nashville, Tennessee over to California. And that's where I went to a Booksellers conference, and I really learned a lot more about selling books on Amazon. And then I went all the way up to Oregon. This whole time I'm checking out, book sales. Actually, I found out about library sales when I was in California. I'll show you guys real quick what I learned. You can go to a website called BOOKSALEFINDER.com. And BOOKSALEFINDER.com basically allows you to click on whatever state you live in, and it shows you all the library sales. Now, these library sales get absolutely insane. They literally have 10,000, 100,000 plus books for sale, and you can just scan all day. And you can literally make thousands of dollars in profit in a day. So I would definitely check out BOOKSALEFINDER.com, or just call all your local libraries and ask when the next big book sale is. Most libraries have an ongoing small sale, but they'll have a giant sale where they have all the donations from the community come in and they put them out, and it's absolutely insane when they do that. So then what you want to do is make your books active for sale on Amazon, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. So this is GoToLister. This is a software that allows you to quickly create a shipment. So we go here. Since we're shipping our books to Amazon, we select that we're shipping them to Amazon. For the batch name, you can put whatever. Maybe you went to X library that day, so you want to remember that That's where you got it from. Put your address there. Pricing rules. This software will actually make you more money if you use smart pricing. Then we click on create batch. Now we put the source in, so we just select. You can just type in if you got it from Goodwill. Type in Goodwill. Goodwill is a great place to find books. Then for the buy cost, we put, let's say the buy cost was $1.75. Condition description. I just keep a generic description, so 100% satisfaction guaranteed. And now we're good to list the book. Pulmonary. I spelled physiology wrong. I should know how to spell physiology because that was my major in college. So now what we'll do is we'll select the book. Once it lists this book, it'll tell us our total profit. So you can see our total profit goes up to $42 for the batch. We paid $1.75 for the book. And you just keep doing this until you have enough books to send the batch. Then you click on send batch. And now what it's going to do is it's going to tell us the destination. So you pack your books in a box, you ship them to Amazon, you click on accept shipments. If you guys want a complete tutorial on how to send a shipment to Amazon, click the link below and there's a complete tutorial on how to use GoToLister. But that's basically how you send shipments to Amazon. Now I said I was going to give away the #1 strategy that I think there is to find books to sell on Amazon. And I think right now, one of the #1 untapped strategies is to go on Facebook.com and look for textbooks. So what you're going to do is go to Marketplace, and you can do this for any city. It doesn't really matter. Like let's say you live in the middle of nowhere in Iowa. What I would do is I would change your location to a big city like Denver or New York or somewhere else. And now what you're going to do is type in textbooks because we're going to have the students ship us the books. Now what you're going to do is go through this and find some really expensive textbooks. A lot of textbooks sell for like $200 plus. Find the most expensive textbooks, offer the students about 25% of the value of the textbook, and then offer to pay for shipping. And I would just pay the student half now and half when it arrives. I think that's pretty fair. And I would have them like confirm a picture that they're actually shipping the book. Just, feel the person out. If they kind of seem sketchy, don't do business with them. But if they seem like a good kid, go ahead and do business with them. You might get screwed 1 out of 20 times, but if you communicate with them, like they have books listed on this website to sell, they're usually not looking to screw people over. So I think that's a great strategy. I also think using Nextdoor is a great strategy. You can go to nextdoor.com or just download the app. You will have to verify your address, I believe. But then when you're on this app, you can actually get books for free because you can just put, hey, I run a book business. I'm looking for more inventory. I will come and pick up books absolutely free from your house. And they'll literally let you go to their house, pick up their books for free, and then you can sell those books on Amazon. So that's it. If you guys like this content, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. And again, I do have a free step-by-step course at starthumble.com that teaches you exactly how to sell books on Amazon. Much love. Peace out.